Hey, what's going on? My name's Sean, and you're watching Ben Break and Recreate. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to take you guys out in the garage. We're going to use these ordinary boards right here. We're going to make a cool little horse stable. Now I got these boards from Home Depot. They weren't very hard to find. Now we're also going to take you guys to the Dollar Tree. We're going to stop by Michael's Arts and Crafts because we need some landscaping stuff. And there's plenty of stuff at the Dollar Tree. We're going to show you just how cool that place is. But before we do that, we want to announce the winner for the horse and the wings. So I'm ready if you guys are. I got the winner right here.
I have the winner right here.
What do you mean you have the winner right here? If I have the winner, how could you have the winner?
I guess we have two winners.
We got two winners, guys. All right, on three. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I've got Megan McCoy.
And I have Lena Crilly.
Yay, you win.
To our two winners, we'll show you guys what you won a little later in the video. And we also have a special surprise for Daisy Stalls.
Because Daisy's cool and she shouted us out. All right, I got my boards. Let's go glue them together. We're at the local Dollar Tree, and the reason we come here is for these. And these guys, because they're $1 a pack, so we grab 2 or 3 of them while we're here. They only have a couple of those dowels, we'll go ahead and take them all. Yeah, the Dollar Tree has a bunch of paints and stuff where we're from. Brushes and things like that. Everything you see here is $1. Pretty cool, huh? We'll probably buy these little boxes right here. We're gonna buy that little box and steal the hinges off of it. But that's pretty cool. Look what Kathy found. We're gonna grab a couple of these little bottles here. Maybe turn them into some kind of moonshine jug or something. Yeah, we'll take a couple of those. All right, we're at Michael's Arts and Crafts. We're about to find some grass and stuff. We come over here to get these little trees and a couple of little things for our little housey here we're gonna make. Wow, they got all this little stuff here. I didn't even know they had all this stuff. Did you know they had this stuff here?
Of course I did. Why'd you think I brought you here, silly?
Okay, well, now I know. Wow, this is totally awesome. Look, they got brains and all kinds of stuff in here. All right, we don't need any brains, but we're going to get some stuff and we'll show you what we got when we get back to the house. Here's what we got from the dollar store and Michael's. We got some little buckets. We got some little kitty cats and dogs. And we got a little cylinder full of farm animals we're going to use. But we've got this base right here. And we're going to put the grass down, put our little farm animals around. We're going to put our little house that we're about to build on top of this. And we're going to make a little town on this for the channel so you guys can see us make the whole thing. So let's get on that right now.
My radiator said, see you later, just 2 blocks from her house. Then I had that fender bender by the lake where we made out. My old two-door friend sure seems hell-bent on getting in the way when I go down memory lane. I think my Chevy is trying to tell me something.
We need to let that dry now, don't we? Yeah, we let that stuff right there dry. Look pretty good here in a minute. And we can put it together.
I'm spinning my wheels, staying in the past, and I'm going nowhere fast. I think my Chevy is trying to tell me something. Oh yeah. Check engine light just came on. Oh Lord, what is it now? I just wanna get to the higher ground on the other side of town. in our old booth and look past the truth for a little while. Oh, it's just another mile. I think my Chevy is trying to tell me something. Oh, yeah. There ain't no road, no way back to her sweet, sweet loving. Oh, no. I'm spinning my wheels, staying in the past, and I'm going nowhere fast. I think my Chevy is trying to tell me something. Oh, yeah. I leave that bar at closing time, intoxicated by her smile. I turn on the radio, and wouldn't you know, I hear a song about moving on and letting go. I'm really starting to think my Chevy is trying to tell me something. Oh, yeah. There ain't no road, no way back to her sweet, sweet loving. Oh, no. I'm spinning my wheels, staying in the past, and I'm going nowhere fast.
So now that we got this guy like this, which is pretty cool, we're gonna make a little place for stuff here with the little box that we stole the hinges from. But right now we gotta make some doors for the stables. So we're gonna put our little hinges on there, and we're gonna do that real quick. First thing we're going to do is we're going to put our grass down. We're going to use our stick fast glue. Well, our base is looking pretty cool. Let's put our little barn on here. Okay, let's glue him down. Alright, so that guy's on there. So we're going to do a quick decoration of this, and then we're going to do a montage of the video of the end. So for Mrs. Lena Crilly, we got this right here.
And Miss Megan McCoy is going to be rocking these guys.
And as promised, something special for Daisy Stalls to make for you guys.
So be looking for her to upload her Pegasus video soon.
Now we got this off Amazon. We're going to check out what's in it now. Wow, lots of cool stuff in here.
Don't take it back, I like what you're saying. I love getting you mad, even though I'm just playing. I never knew a girl could hit so hard, and I swear that the pain goes straight to my heart. You can say, girl, I've lost all control, but I feel like a bomb about to explode. You got me feeling your fireworks tonight. I'm so lost in this love and the fire that burns in your eyes.
We hope you like what we've done here. We're going to try to create a little town. We're going to add a little more to it in every episode until we have all the buildings and the whole town, and it's going to be crazy.
So make sure you join us next time to see what we add.
Till next time, don't forget, you can always
Bend it, break it, and recreate it.